Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Deepika. So in this video, we are going to see PG selection list for the merit-based courses. So if you have not seen my previous video regarding the PG admission process in detail, so I suggest you guys please check it out once. Then you move ahead with this video, because if you have not seen that video, then you might not know for which courses there is entrance exam, for which courses there is the admission is on merit. So make sure that you first watch that video and move ahead with this one. So in this video, we are going to see the selection list for the programs for which the admission is merit based on your UG marks. So here you can see all the important links. So for this, you need to click on the selection list, and here you can see the selection list. So first is UG programs. Then here you can see PG programs, aided stream, and self-financed stream. So the college is still releasing the selection list. So soon you will be getting selection list for all the courses. So here you can see in the aided stream, they have given only for MA History, MA Philosophy, MA Tamil, MSc Botany, and MSc Zoology. So still the selection lists are not released for Political Science, Public Administration, Economics, English, MCOM, MSW, Maths, Statistics, Physics, and Chemistry. Okay, and here in the self-finance stream, you can see that MA Communication selection list is released, MSc Chemistry is released, Applied Microbiology, MCOM is released, and MCA is released. MSW Human Resource Management course is by your entrance exam. So that is why the selection list is not released yet. They are releasing the selection list now only for the programs by which the admission is merit based. So that is why I'm telling. So if you don't know for which programs the admission is merit based and for which courses the admission is entrance exam, then do check out my video. And also, before seeing the selection list, I want to tell you guys that MCC releases 3 selection lists. It depends on the vacancy as well, and it depends on the students applying and all that. But usually they release 3 selection lists. So this is the first selection list. And for UG programs, they have released 2 selection lists, and selection list 3 will be released soon as well. And also, one more thing that many of you guys have doubt, that how can I know if I get selected or not? So first thing is, I suggest you guys that do check out the college website frequently, like every day. Once a day is fine. And also, I'll be updating you guys on my Instagram, launchpad.career. And as well as you will be receiving an email from college. So the email will be containing all the information saying that you got selected for this program, and the next steps are these. So you will be receiving email first, and then the selection list will be released. So for MA History, the last day to make fee and enrollment is 5th, and these are the students who have got selected. So 40 students got selected in MA History, and they have not mentioned the UG percentage of the students. So we cannot really how much you need to get in your UG to get selected for MA History. So this is one thing which we are not able to find out. And for same with MA Philosophy, here the selection list is only with 15 students. Now let's see MA Tamil. For MA Tamil, 29 students. For MSc Botany, 25 students got selected. For MSc Zoology, for Department of Communication, they're selected around 44 students. So you can see the capacity in the MA Communication. The capacity is more than MSc Botany and Zoology. So the next selection list will be based on how many students apply for the program, because many students get selected, but few of them don't want to get admission in MCC, so they don't make the fee payment and they automatically get rejected. So this is also one case, and also they see the vacancy and all that, and your marks as well. For MSc Chemistry, 20 students. MSc Applied Microbiology. Okay, so this is the entrance based exam, and I've also made a video on that as well, so you can check out that. So they have selected 73 students. For MCOM SFS, they have selected around 54 students. For MCOM, they have selected around 54. And for MCA, the admission is based on your 10th set exam. So they have selected around 19 students. So this is the selection list. So most probably you will be getting 2 more selection lists for PG programs. So make sure that you check the college website regularly, and also check your email so that you don't miss out the enrollment date, because if you miss out that, then your admission will be rejected. I mean, unfortunately, we cannot find out how much percentage you need in your UG. If they would have mentioned, then it would be really, really helpful. But yeah, you cannot help it. So yeah, that's all for the video. If you guys have more doubts, then do comment down below, or you can directly message me on WhatsApp. I'm there to help you guys. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, then please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content so that you guys don't miss out any updates. That's it guys for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.